Magic Carpet. Today I'm going to be teaching you some super awesome Sharpie magic. But today I'm going to be using a pen. You can use a pen, a Sharpie. Now let's get into it. So I'm going to teach you how you can magically make a Sharpie go up your nose and out of your mouth. So what you want to do is, from this angle, it looks like this. You have it, you cover it, just like this. And all you're doing is sliding your hand up, move it to your mouth, grab it, and do that. Just like that. For the next one, you can magically make it vanish and reappear. So what you want to do is, so it's kind of like snapping. So you hold it just like this, and with your middle finger, you bring it back. And then with these fingers, you can hold it like this if you want, and you can do this, or just bring it back. Just bring it back like this, and you hold it with these fingers just like this. So you hold it, use your middle finger, bring it back. And so when you do this, it's this. And then when you want to bring it back, it's that, or you can boom, like that. You can just push it back up. So when you have it back, you just use these fingers here and just push it up. You have it hiding, and then you use these fingers and just push it back. So it looks like that. Like it vanished, just like that, and then you can just make it reappear. To make it reappear, you can do like that, or you can just wave like that, or you can just, 3, 2, 1, bounce back, just like that. Super cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, every magic trick takes lots of practice, so don't ever give up. You got this, and I love you guys so much, and bye.